Hello trader, hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. So looking at gold, the first day of trading week, we saw that gold is pretty predictable as expected. On the lower time frame, we can see significant trading opportunity. Now before we discuss how we can trade, let's first quickly look at the higher time frame. Starting with the highest time frame monthly chart on gold, we can see that from the monthly, as expected, gold is coming down now for a deeper pullback. For bigger picture perspective, we can see gold has formed an inverted head and shoulder on the monthly, and then we can see the market has made this huge bounce to the upside. Previous months there was a long week doji. This month we can see that the once market open, after this gap open, gold has got a huge bounce to the upside. Now after this bounce, what we can see currently, the market created an all-time high and dropping down for a deeper pullback. Now this pullback is quite significant as the market dropping down from all-time high, expecting gold to drop down further to this liquidity zone. And I think that we might see a retest of the monthly support. Dropping down to the weekly chart to see how the market is doing. Now we can see previous week there is a long week doji. This is the weekly doji that has given a significant momentum in this pricing. Today, first day of trading week, we saw a little bit of upside bias, which is a little pullback, and the market now we saw a rejection from this liquidity zone as back to back two weekly opening and closing in that area. Also there is a weekly opening and closing which is acting as a very important level of resistance, and you saw that in the past there was a strong rejection from this level and created this the lowest point. So this level is absolutely important. The seller has a high interest from this zone, and as a result we saw that after retest the market is getting a strong rejection. Currently the price is dropping down, and what I think that, as expected, probably you guys have seen the weekly forex forecast, what I think that gold might now drop down to this smart money area where there is a neckline of this inverted head and shoulder, which is the resistance turning support here, and there's a long week and expecting gold to drop. Now dropping down to the daily chart to see how the market is evolving, we can see there's a daily doji here, and this is an uptrending market structure. We saw that from the daily there was an inverted head and shoulder breakout, pull back to this liquidity zone, which is the NFP candle, and from here we saw a bounce, a drop, pull back, another bounce. Now we see that the market is trying to break the previous swing low. Now if we look at from Elliott wave perspective, we can expect now gold to drop back below this doji, and where there is a daily 20 EMA, and I think that we might see now a rejection further for deeper pullback. Now let's see from the 4 hour. This is the opening candle early today. From the 4 hour perspective, there is a liquidity candle formation here, and we saw a huge drop followed by this correction, and we see another drop on gold. Now with that drop, what we can expect, this is a very important level of support here, and which is also an important level of support here on gold. And what I think that now, as you can see, after this gap opening, the market started to drop back below, and there is a fair value gap as well waiting for gold to drop down for deeper pullback. Now looking at the 15-minute chart, which is the day trading perspective on gold, and in this local time frame we saw there was a gap opening. The market has made this move to the upside. With this gap opening, the price is forming series of lower high in that area. What we can see, this green candle here on the 15 minutes, we what I think that it's a liquidity gap, and we can see the market trend from this channel. This is a bearish channel. Currently the price is trying to break from this channel. It's a very bearish channel, as we can see the market multiple times. This is a liquidity candle here, there's a liquidity candle, there's a liquidity candle here. So after this multiple liquidity candle on gold, expecting it to drop further to this support level. So this is where currently we are running a sell trade on gold. We will be entering further opportunity as soon as we will find suitable entry on gold from this level, as soon as we see suitable price action confirmation, we will be looking for going short on gold with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this analysis, make sure that you join the free Telegram channel link below this video for more information. If you want to learn my strategy as well as access all my trading tool in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So with that said, thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.